One prank three of your girlfriends.
Three of my girlfriends.
Anyone wey dey faithful, now you go marry.
No, action.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this is Master in the building, and I'm here with
Mr. Daniel.
Daniel. So Daniel, what you talk say I go do for you today?
Today I just want to make you like I want prank like three of my girlfriends because as it be like this, I want to settle down, I want marry. So like anyone will go fit, they faithful. I go choose one inside their three. How you say?
Okay, you get three girlfriends where you want prank.
Three girlfriends, beautiful, flashy girls.
Okay, you want prank three of your girlfriends.
Three of my girlfriends.
Anyone wey dey faithful, now you go marry.
Yeah.
What if three of them dey faithful?
Three of them dey faithful. Now one I go still choose now.
No wahala now, no wahala. Come on for road, the motor dey come, motor no go jam you, my brother. With the video us. Yes. So you go put their number here for me.
I get them both don't worry.
You get a number for your head?
Yes, up. Knock them go.
No wahala.
My love. Very sweet girl.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, am I speaking with Jennifer?
Of course. Please, who am I speaking with?
Yeah, good evening, ma. Please, this is a dispatch rider.
Okay.
Your boyfriend sent me to bring a package for you. But in our company, you need to confirm the name of your boyfriend before we deliver the package to you. He just said he's your boyfriend, so I want to...
It's Matthew then. It's my boyfriend.
What?
Matthew. That's his name.
Matthew.
Yeah.
Your name is Matthew?
No.
Hello?
Daniel.
Ma, the name here with us is not Matthew. It's not Matthew.
So what's the name? Matthew is my only boyfriend.
Sweetheart, it's me, Daniel, that is talking, Daniel.
Daniel?
I don't understand. So wait. So you mean you never regard me as your boyfriend?
Oh, were we dating? Hello?
It's Daniel.
Hello, Daniel. We're just catching cruise now.
What cruise? You passed the night in my house yesterday and you say you are catching cruise.
Are you mistaking cruise for a relationship? Are you kidding me? We're never dating. You're not my boyfriend. I have a serious date. And please don't even say this outside.
Babe!
I don't want to lose
now Daniel, they follow talk now. Daniel!
My guy, you're too small for me, please. I can't keep you as a boyfriend. So, okay, bye-bye.
I don't blame you. Man, no worry. Check mode. Call the second one. Don't mind that you call this. Call the second one. Call the second.
Oh yeah, you go put the number now. Put the number of the second one. I carry the one that this one too for head.
Yes, now. This one said my special duty self. You know me, Mr. Daniel. Hey.
Yeah, calm down. This one fee. It be this one name now.
Nah, this girl be this now. It be an Abigail.
Okay.
I knew Favor was not a good person for me. I knew.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, please, am I speaking with Abigail?
Now Abigail, be this who they talk.
My name is Justice.
Okay.
Yes, so I'm a dispatch rider.
Okay.
So your boyfriend say make I deliver something give you. So, but for our company, you guys confirm your boyfriend name.
My boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay, it should be okay now. Maybe now okay. Now him. He's okay.
So, I know this now. Daniel now. No sorrow, Levi.
Ma, the name I have here is not okay.
Now okay be the only person one who started the date, like.
Abigail, it's Daniel. Daniel, your love now. Have you forgotten Daniel?
Daniel, me be your love. Daniel, you just say me no know all the things wey you dey do. Daniel, me no say no be only me. Me no say.
Abigail, why they talk like this now? Abigail, should I don't propose to you? I don't tell you, say I don't stop all those drugs. Now you be my love. Now you be my life now. Abigail.
Okay, now me they use do prank. You know who will kill you.
I know that.
I don't know the things wey they do. Now see, my tell you now because of say me myself, I know I don't love you. That is all those things where they do. I'm not even cry because
Danny, no be like that now.
oh my God, me and you don't figure anything. You a womanizer. Me, I know you now.
Danny, why
You
they
don't know. You don't
Danny,
person you don't know.
Danny, no dey cap like this now. Na Daniel dey follow you talk oh. Daniel.
Meet one of those girls where you and then they run. I know they date public toilet.
Now me dey turn you on now.
Guy, you be public
Oh,
toilet.
Maz, wetin dey sup? Maz, wetin dey
Man,
sup?
they use me they feel to be fat. If you dey mad at me, let's go walk. See, mind yourself.
About that. The two girls where you don't call now, none of them.
No,
You just say we still need call the third one. More just leave her.
No be like that, no be like that, no be like that. You get. Me on from one set, I don't know say na Grace I go marry.
Grace.
I don't know say na Grace I go marry.
So Grace na the third girl name.
No, Grace na the third girl now. We will never call now. If now you go check am out. I don't know say na Grace because right from time Grace don dey tell me Grace, yeah Grace. Even my mama sef, my sef see vision say na Grace I go marry. No cap, we go call Grace. May I give you her number?
Okay, open my phone.
I don't know say na Grace. I don't know say na Grace.
You still carry Grace number for head.
Grace na my first choice now. Now based on say one or two say yeah she need Grace na my
Daniel.
my sef don yarn me say na Grace.
Okay.
Na me just dey cap anyhow.
Make I call Grace.
My love, Gracie.
But you just dey carry woman number for head. Na duty. But you will get 3 girlfriends. They wait to make them loyal to you.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Please, my name is Justice. I'm a dispatch rider. So your boyfriend said I should deliver a package to you, but you have to confirm his name for us so that I can bring the package to you.
Maybe you must be mistaken because me, I don't have a boyfriend.
You don't have a boyfriend?
My dear, I don't have a boyfriend. I just fuck with whoever I want to fuck with. I don't keep boyfriend. So you can check the number again because I don't think it's correct.
Grace is Sunday. Like it's Daniel Sunday. Daniel, my name is Daniel. I met you like 6 months ago. We have been dating now.
Dating? Have you forgotten that whenever we see you do pay?
You pay. So
besides, I'm not a relationship person. I don't keep relationship.
But Grace,
okay, any night you wanna meet you, they pay him.
Yeah, he pays me whenever.
No, man. They show not to show love now. Abigail, what I love, I do help. Like, just show love. It's inside me already.
You do pay me. You pay me off and I go. So why have you been taking
No.
me as a girlfriend?
No. I'm not paying you. I'm just showing you some love. I'm just showing you how much I love you. Grace. Talk now. Talk to me. It's Daniel.
Please, whatever it is you send, for the fact that you've tagged it, you wanted to give it to your girlfriend. I'm not interested because I've always told
Grace,
you.
we have something now. Oh, wait, Grace. You want to just throw everything away?
My dear, we're just flirting. Now flirt with a flirt, and you dey pay me for any knocking go with knock. So why you can't?
No, Grace. No, besides they pay you now.
Me?
I'm taking care of you now, Grace. It's not as if I'm paying you. I'm just taking care of you. I'm a big boy. I'm just trying to show you how much I care, Grace.
For knock when you dey knock me, you dey pay me. So don't tell me you're taking care of me.
Grace, why you go do me like this now? Mazi, no now, Mazi. Mazi, why you dey laugh? Why you dey laugh? I don't like him. Why you dey laugh?
No, I don't know. You be playboy, but the 3 girls where you did it don't play you. But wait, how you take they get all these girls, my brother? I want to know so that me I feel get.
Yeah, I be fine boy now. You get. Anytime I ball in the streets, they rush me now based on say 1 or 2. Me I be fine boy. You don't check me. You don't see my doings. Me I get doings now. Grace, Grace, say my leg don't see vision. Say now me and Grace go altar. How Grace go do me like this now? Wetin sup now?
So it means 3 of your girlfriends are not faithful to you. So my brother, you go continue the hunting now. But you say you know they're faithful. So how they want to be faithful to you?
No, Martin, I be man now. You know get. Which man did they faithful? based on who I be, based on my doings. I no see no be say I no no dey faithful. These girls dey beg me say make I just dey with them, you no get, make I just dey with them. Oh, as I dey like this, guy, oh, make I go drink jare. Make me kill myself.